He began, He will complete. In its 76th year of sharing the good news of Jesus Christ, this is Far East Broadcasting Company, Philippines. In Mindanao, 1062 DXKI, your friendly voice, Coronadal City. 1116 DXAS, your community radio, Zamboanga City. 1197 DXFE, the Good News Radio, Davao City. 103.3 DXJL, your positive choice, Cagayan de Oro City. 106.9 DXGR, Radyo Gandingan, Cotabato City. In the Visayas, 1233 DYVS, Sweet Voice of Salvation, Bacolod City. Up 987 DYFR, Life-Changing, Cebu City. 97.5 DYFE, unang tugon ng pamayanan, Tacloban City. In Luzon, 1143 DZMR, Missions Radio, Santiago City. CARE 104.3, The Way FM, Legazpi City. 106.3 DZRK, Quezon, Palawan. 98.7 DZFE, The Master's Touch, Metro Manila. And 702 DZAS, Agapay ng Sambayanan, Mega Manila. FEBC Philippines, communicating Christ in our world.
The works of masters and the word of the master, classical music and the gospel of Christ on the Master's Touch, 98.7 DZFE.
This Healing Rosary Prayer is produced and distributed by the Daughters of St. Paul.
Star FM.
It's all for you in the evening. Star FM.
Ginapanawagan ang lalaki nga bag-ulang na pagunting sa barbershop. Sir, palihog balik-anay, kayang imo dilunggan, nabilin. Salamat! Wow! Puerte!
Let's take it nice and slow, with more soft favorites in a row. Sa MOR, there's more. Sa gabi, easy as 1, 2, 3.
Para lamang ABC.
Kapag may you and me, there's more. More sa gabi. There is definitely more sa gabi at 9. More sa gabi on MOR, my only radio.
More music on radio.com.
This year's Canada Fiesta Extravaganza 9-City Tour, rightly keen as advertised. First up, Toronto. It's a kickoff with a thunder. The summer event of the year, Canada Fiesta Extravaganza 2024, and it coincides with the 75th year of Canada-Philippines bilateral relations. At Canada Fiesta Extravaganza, we live and breathe fiesta. It's everything Filipino. If you thought you had seen it all, look again, or better yet, attend this year's biggest kickoff party, Toronto Fiesta Extravaganza. See you there on the 22nd and 23rd of June. TTC Grounds, Shepherd Avenue West, North York.